Hey everybody, Mr. Cooper here. I'm just going to give you a rough overview of today's Makerspace. So there are a couple of documents that you're going to want to take a look at. There's our Greenscreen Makerspace slideshow, and then there are some linked documents in there that are going to give you a little bit more in-depth information. I'm just going to show you kind of where the big parts are to get you started and underway. So the first thing that you're going to do is you need to compose your message that you're going to use for your greeting card or whatever you're going to use. And then once you've got that created, there's a link for the WeVideo project. So if you just click on that link, it looks like this. It's going to take you to WeVideo, sign you in, and it's going to go straight to this project screen. Now what you're going to do when you're here is click the plus button up here, and we're going to create a new edit. You probably won't be able to see anybody else's other than your own. I've got a couple of them that I've already created, so that's why those are there. And then you're going to record your message in front of the green screen. So to do that, up here at the top of this, you're going to click on the record button right here, and we're going to record from the webcam. So you'll need to position your Chromebook in front of you on a desk or something so that you can see the green screen. You want to make sure that the green screen is your entire background. You can watch the video that you just recorded by clicking the play button right there. If you don't like it, record again, but when you have a good copy, click the save button, and that will put it on your video timeline. You can just move this video from one to the other, but what we're going to do is we're going to put that on the text one. And to key out the green background, what we're going to do is we're going to double click on the video, and it's going to bring up these controls. You have some really cool features that you can transform your video, you can rotate it, you can move it around, you can resize it, all sorts of things like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this button right here, which is the color key button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the eyedropper tool here, go back over here into my video, and I'm going to find a green spot there. And when I click on that, it automatically greens out pretty much everything. Click Save Changes. So now my video over here should be keyed out. And then I'm going to go here to Project Media. We have a bunch of backgrounds that you can put in to your video. Some of these have our videos, so you can put a video in on the background. So like this one is a video. You can also put any of the stock videos on here. And then there you go. So now I've got video behind me. We also do have a couple of videos that have green screen in them. If you want to use one of those, you can add a new video track, and then that'll put that over top. And then you can put in that video on top, and then do the same thing. Double click, grab the eyedropper, key that out, and save the changes. And now I've got a video in the front that gives me this kind of picture frame around the top. I'm in the middle with the green screen keyed out, and then I've got either a still or a video running in the background. Now you're going to want to trim these up so that the ends all meet and stuff, so you can do that just by grabbing the end of the video here behind and the video in front and just drag it in. And then I am ready to go here. So now if you click close up here in the top corner, you'll just close your edit. You can come back to it and edit it at any time. I'm going to go ahead and finish mine. When you click finish, it's actually going to publish it. So you want to give it a title, so give it a title. And then I'll click set. And I'm going to export this as an HD video. Click export. It's going to run through, and you'll get a notification when your video is done. And when it's done, it's going to show up in your exports. And then what you're going to do so that you can share that with family and friends is you're going to click on this button right here that says Change Privacy. You're going to make it public. And then once you've made that public, you can grab the sharing link here and you can send that to anyone. When they open it, they will see this. And there's my video from yesterday.